Hi everyone. Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. Welcome back to our series on the ATT RealTime Delivery Tracker app. In this video, we'll be showcasing the exciting new enhancements in version 1.1. If you haven't watched our previous videos, we highly recommend starting with those, to get a complete understanding of the app's setup. You can find the links to the previous videos in the description below or click on the card above. In version 1.1, we've made several key improvements to enhance how users interact with the app and manage their deliveries. We've added new features to better manage users, improved driver assignment and tracking, and introduced new notifications to keep everyone informed. Let's start by looking at how we've improved user access and the interface. Now, drivers can only see their own orders and change their availability status. They can't view other drivers' orders, ensuring privacy and security. For example, when a driver logs in, they can only see their own dispatched orders on the map, and update the status to delivered. This makes the app much more user-friendly and secure. We've also added a new notification system to keep everyone updated. When a new order is created, the assigned driver receives a message with the order details, and the customer receives an email confirmation. If a driver is changed, the original driver is notified that the delivery is cancelled, and the new driver receives a message with the new order details. When an order is dispatched, the customer receives an email notification, and another email is sent once the order is delivered, confirming the delivery. Now, let's walk through the setup process for these enhancements. We'll start by adding the new user table to manage user information. Set the table as shown. Alright, the table is ready, let's proceed to create the slice. Set the slice as shown. Alright, let's update the delivery log table. Update the log by column. In the order table, add a virtual column log by. Next, update the driver table. We add a driver email column. And the key for this table is now the driver email, instead of the driver ID. Now, let's talk about the action changes we've made. In the orders table, we've replaced some instances of usermail with the newly created column, log by, to ensure accurate user logging. In the driver table, only users can add or edit driver information. Similarly, in the orders table, only users can add, edit, or assign drivers. Now, let's set up user access control in the security section. We'll add data filters to detect the current user's email, ensuring they only see and interact with relevant data. Finally, we'll configure the notifications. Go to the Automation section in AppSheet, and create workflows for each notification scenario. Set the bot as shown. That concludes our overview of the enhancements in version 1.1 of the ATT RealTime Delivery Tracker app. These improvements make the app more secure, user-friendly, and efficient. If you have any new ideas or suggestions for the app, please leave a comment in the comments section below. We're continuously upgrading the app, and we'll be adding exciting features, such as different access rights for admins and drivers, AI image analysis, order duration reporting, notifications upon order creation, dispatch, and delivery, and route optimization. If you found this video helpful, please give us a super thanks. And consider joining our membership for exclusive access to all our videos. Non-members can still enjoy our content, with new videos released every Friday. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into more advanced features. Bye.